Welcome to your new home, where you won't just live, but grow. A vision planted in bustling Quezon City. Vine Residences now stands proud in the heart of an urban district, with Sm Novaliches as its next-door neighbor, offering easy access to all of life's conveniences.
As part of the team who first sowed the seeds for this project, it fills me with great pride and finally see the fruits of not only our labor, but your investments. Indeed, there are few setbacks, especially with the pandemic. But with swift action from everyone involved, we were able to put up measures that allowed us to continue working safely and productively. The result, we were able to deliver the project on time without compromising SMDC's promised quality and our commitment to sustainable cosmopolitan living.
From vision to reality. Vine Residences is now ready with 5 12-story towers, boasting of hotel-like interiors and unique amenities where you can keep an active lifestyle, appreciate the beauty of nature, and create precious moments with loved ones.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who has been involved in the development of Vine Residences, from the top management to my colleagues and to our teams, as well as our suppliers and partners. And to you, our investors who believed in our promise of providing Filipinos with better living in the metro. Thank you and congratulations. This is the fruit of the vision you planted with us. We hope that you continue to grow like beautiful vines as you settle at your home, here at Vine Residences.
Look forward to safe and sustainable living in your very own home beside the mall. Live and grow with us at Vine Residences.